Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw an elephant squishmallow. Before we get started, I wanted to share an elephant joke with you. So here goes. What time is it when an elephant sits on the fence? Before I give you the answer, get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw this elephant squishmallow, we're going to first start by drawing its body. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a big curve for the top of its head. So I'm just going to come right here. From there, I'm going to bring this curve down and I'm going to attempt to draw kind of like a long dumpling shape. So it's kind of ovalish, and I just keep bringing it down. And about right there. See how long you want to make your squishmallow. But about right there, I'm going to start to bring it in. And connect it. There. So that's the shape that you're aiming to draw. Just a little bit narrow at the top and wider at the bottom. So from there, we're going to come about in this area. We're going to draw the ears. So say about right here, I'll start. And I'm just going to bring out a curve for these big elephant ears. Nice and big. And bring it down. And I'm just going to go in a tiny bit and come back out. And back in. So then let's come in here and we're going to draw the same thing once again. Smaller, just follow your outside. All the way back. So let's do the same thing for the other side. So I'm just going to drag some points across so I know approximately how big to make my other ear and where to put it. So about right there. And so then I'm just going to go up once again, just like the other side, with a big curve. And I'm just going to eyeball it, say about right there. I'm just going to start to bring it in. And I'm aiming to come back to this point. So about right there is where I'm going to start to curve in. About right there, and then bring it out. And right back to your point. So don't worry if it's not exactly the same, it won't be, just as long as it's about the same size and area. So let's come back in here and we're just going to follow our outside and back. There. Okay, so then now let's bring our elephant to life. I'm going to start in this area now that we know where the ears are. Let's come kind of like towards the center of the ear, say about right here, and I'm going to draw a curve right in the center. So this is going to be the beginning of the elephant's trunk. So I'm going to bring this down, nice and fat at the top, just big curve, and from there I'm going to start to curve it in and out. So it's all up to you how long you want to make your trunk. I just make mine a little bit shorter and fatter, a little bit cuter. And then about right here, I'm going to start to bring it in. So I'm going to add a little curve, and then right here, you just go ahead and connect it all the way. There. Nice and simple little trunk. Okay, so from there we're going to come to the side of this trunk, about right here. I'm going to draw a circle for the eyes, right next to the trunk. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. It's about right here. And so let's make them jaw cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles, an angle, and a curve line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. Now that the eyes are done, we're going to come up above the eye, about right here. I'm just going to draw a soft little curve right above each eye. And then for a little detail in the trunk, you can come up right here very lightly and just draw 2 little curves. There. And last but not least, I'm going to have to add a heart right here. So I can make him my Draw So Cute elephant, Squishmallow. So now that we're done drawing it, let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you guys love this cute little drawing. And now to answer the question as to what time is it when an elephant sits on the fence? Ready? Here goes. The answer is it's time to fix the fence. Hope you guys thought that was pretty cute and funny. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and turn on your notification bell if you haven't already so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.